Hello, I got sourdough starter from my son-in-law and I decided to bake bread with caraway seeds. Let's go! Last night I added flour and water to starter and left overnight to grow. Look, starter doubled in size. Now mix in water, honey and caraway seeds. Add a little bit salt and a lot of flour. Knead till it's tender and leave to grow for half a When it's ready, cut with razor blade. Be creative. Bread baked approximately an hour. I hope you enjoy this video and bread. See you!